Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Font Style. Now select Default or Classic fonts. I will go with Classic. In order to change your font style, just tap on Apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!